Welcome to Excel in MS Excel. I am Samrat Biswas, expert in MS Excel. Today, I will take you to how to recover an unsaved workbook in MS Excel. Very often, or many a times, we see that we do some calculation in a spreadsheet or prepare a small report for some use. And after creating that, either we realize that this work is of no use in future, or accidentally you close the file without saving it. Then in couple of days time you realize that had that been with me it would have been very helpful, isn't it? So to in MS Excel there is an option of recovering your unsaved files, and to do this I would take you to the MS Excel to show how you can recover the unsaved files. Let's go to one blank MS Excel. So here you see all the ribbons. You have to go to the file ribbon. In file ribbon, you have this option called info. Okay. Once you go to info, there is an option called manage version. Okay. So this manage version has an option called recover unsaved workbook. Suppose you have, you worked on some workbook and you did not save it, you accidentally closed it. So that file gets saved into a particular folder location, and if you click this recover unsaved workbook, it will take you to that location where you have unsaved files. This manage version option is used for recovering unsaved workbook, and it also used for recovering multiple versions. If you are working in a spreadsheet having multiple versions, then you can find all those versions here. If you like this video of how to recover an MS Excel workbook and file, please hit the like. You may also want to go to my blog, Excel in MS Excel, in which I cover many unique Excel topics. You can go and learn from there. If you are interested, you can also buy my book Excel in MS Excel, which is available in Amazon.com. For now, thank you and happy learning.